is the Bible application here, your home screen. And once you pretty much open the application, it will give you a morning verse. So every day will give you a verse and also a devotion every single day for the specific day. For today is the 15th, so it will give you and you pretty much have to read it. And as you can see here, will give you, and once you finish reading, you pretty much just tap on amen and you're good to go. So we'll show an ad. As you can see here, nothing much for that. You just tap on the X and just tap on OK. As you can see here, we'll chat how often you have used your application and so forth. So as you can see here, we'll give you a nightly prayer once you've pretty much finished the verse, the morning verse. As you can see here, so you will get a morning and a night verse. And same thing for this year as well. Once you finish reading it, do make sure to tap on amen so you can get the nightly verse. So these are pretty much the morning session. So at the top here, you can either give a reaction as it relates to your mood. So it will pretty much just adjust the verse based on your mood. So yeah, that's pretty much so for that section here. And also you have the Bible section here. This is pretty much the full Bible book. Pretty much can just read it. As you can see here, this is the first chapter as it relates to the Bible here, and you can just tap on this option at the top here and be able to see other books which you can read as well, and also you can see chapters and verses. So it's all there for you to read. So let's say you want to read the Daniel, for example, this section here in the Bible, you can just tap on that and you can see all the chapters as it relates to Daniel. And as well, you're going to see verses over here as well. So that's pretty much it. And let's say you don't understand a line, this is very helpful for this application here, because usually when you read these things, you may not understand. You just long press the section that you do not understand, and it will pretty much give you a short explanation. Or you can pretty much just tap on search in King James Bible option there. So that's pretty much it. And as well, this is pretty much to skip the page. Once you tap on this option, it will skip the page, as you can see here. And at the top here, you can also go ahead and search for what you want in the Bible. And as well, you can tap on the A at the top here to adjust the size of the text. Maybe you can't see the words clearly. You can pretty much adjust it to your liking so you can read the words clearly. And as well, you can adjust the background. As you can see, you have dark, you have light mode, and you have some other modes here which you can select. So let's say you can't bother with your reading, you just want to listen to the words and let the Bible read for you. All you have to do is just tap on the speech option here and it will pretty much read the Bible for you. As well, they do have the rotating option here, which you can pretty much put this verse here on a loop, so it will just only play this here as well. And you have the download option here, you have the timer, and as well the fast forward option. You can pretty much adjust how you want or which way you want to start listening from. And as well, you can just skip ahead for this listening. So that's pretty much it. The study section, nothing much. It will just give you a quick quiz as it relates to the Bible application here. Nothing much for that. And me section, this section here will just be about chats, how often, how much prayers you have read, how often you have listened to the Bible application, and it will just pretty much highlight your progress as it relates to the Bible, King James Bible here. So nothing much for that. So that's really pretty much it. And you don't have any subscription or anything like that. It's completely free. You may encounter quite a few ads, but that's all about it. But yeah, very good application. And if I missed anything at all as well, not to mention, you can also share it with your friends and family. Just tap on the share icon here and you can share it with your friends and family. So that's pretty much it for today. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.